Hey everyone, just doing a little different video on hot tub. As the season's here and we're done with the pool for the season, we're now into the hot tub. So as I was getting it ready for the winter, I figure I share quick tip on water maintenance. And I know there's a lot of different products that people use, chemical based, and this product we ran across about 10-15 years ago called Spa Marble, which is all natural enzyme based system, which is great. So all this requires, they make cleaners and things for the hot tub, but for the way I use it, basically fill the tub, run it, clean it, drain the water out, and put a fresh water in it once the tub is all clean, and put a bottle of this, and that's about it. And enjoy the tub, all season long. Our season here is about 4 to 6 months, maybe 8 months sometime, and that's all I need, just one bottle of it. And only other thing you have to do with this is just clean the filter every couple of weeks, or check it, if it's got particles in it, just rinse it off, clean it. I keep 2 filters so that way it switches out easy. I just clean one out, put the other one in, kind of thing. Hopefully that helps somebody out. Again, Spa Marble, all natural. Not sponsored by this product. I just figure I share it because we've been using it for so long, and I know people have issue maintaining proper water in the tubs. If you like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll keep doing some more quick tips. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.